Here's a 2014 Chevy Silverado Crew Cab, 45,000 mile, 200 with a clean CarFax in dark gray. Obviously, this truck stands above the rest, as you can tell, with the altered 6-inch suspension lift. Many other options and highlights of this truck, but obviously that stands out at you. Let's continue the tour here. We got halogen headlamps with integrated fogs, chrome lower bumper portion of the front bumper, as well as, of course, your big chrome grille. Let's continue around to the side. We got aftermarket wheels here. Looks like they're on 20 inches, 35 by 12.5 tires, wild terrains all the way around, like new. Still got the, actually are new. You can see you still have the the nipples on the tread. If you can see, it is a full suspension lift. I'm not exactly sure of the brand because the vehicle was acquired this way, but it is done professionally and done right. You also can see a nice shiny brand new brake pad and resurfaced rotor. That's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles, find the results of that inspection signed out by the technician that performed it in the glove box of our cars. Taking a look through the passenger side seat, you can see a 40/20/40 fold down center console here. Allows for 6 passenger seating on an otherwise gray on gray interior. And I want to show you that report I spoke of here. We do have the books, got all the wiring for the trailer. Everything is in there just like a brand new one. Looks like we may even have a window sticker in there. We also, as you can see, all brand new tires, 22 inches of tread depth. So those are big, meaty tires that'll last you a long time. And you can see brand new brakes all the way around front and rear, 15 and 13 respectively. And that is what we're all about, guys. We do not skimp on reconditioning. All new brakes, all new rotors, all new tires on a jacked up truck. Everybody wants to be the lowest price on the internet. We want to make sure we give you the same quality on all our vehicles. See, as we look in through the back crew cab, so plenty of leg, hip, and shoulder room. Let's go ahead and take a look. Small box, 5.5 foot. We do have the painted wheel flares with the bullet type rivets. We also got, like I say, all the tires matching. You can see there's no rust on that frame rail either, and it's easy to see with the lift. No oxidation issues. Step bumper, class 3 tow hitch. Have to get that drop ball. See, we got the 7-way round, 4-way flat, full-size spare under there as well. Backup camera, soft tonneau cover, spray and bed liner. Short of the wheels, LRG wheels, nice black multi-spoke. Again, no rust. Looks like Extreme Liners put the bed liner in for us. Very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. Full power seat on the driver's side, as you can see. Also got your windows, locks, and mirrors located on the door. Before we climb up in this beast, I do want to show you we always promise 2 sets of keys, as you can see there, and this one is equipped with the factory remote start as well. So it's not just a base truck that's lifted to the sky. This thing has plenty of options and amenities as well. Let's go ahead and climb in here, show you the rest of the options, because it is a well-equipped truck. LT2, I believe. Well, SLT2 in this case. And let's see here. So, shift on the fly transfer case, auto dim on the headlamps, push button for fogs, stem to the left, intermittent wipers, high beams turn signals, cruise control to the left of the wheel, confirmation for your center display. See how I'm toggling through. It's all controlled with this pad as well as your Bluetooth. AM FM satellite radio, OnStar nav only, no factory nav. We do have your dual climate control. We do have power pedals, traction control, your cargo light, and the ability to shut off your park sensors. We do have heated cloth seats on the driver and the passenger side. In the console, 3 large cup holders and all your connectivity. You can see 2 USBs, an auxiliary, a nav card if equipped, and a 12-volt power supply. It does have OnStar and auto dim rear view mirror. We also have illuminated visors, LED style, on both the driver and the passenger side, as you can see there. So like I say, remote start, heated seats, backup camera, spray and bed liner. See the emergency brake foot pedal there. Let's take a peek under the hood. We'll find the tried and true 5.3 engine under here. Nice little low profile bug deflector there. And there you see tried and true 5.3. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminals. Very well maintained by the previous owner. As you can see there, and only 45,000 miles. Excellent mileage for the year. Also want to show you, we do keep a copy of the CarFax there. No accidents or damage, 2 previous owners, 20 service records, so well maintained. Now, let's get into the last portion of the video. Brand new tires and brakes all the way around. Full suspension lift. Let's go ahead and take a look at cosmetic imperfections now. It is a 14, even though it hasn't spent much time on the road. Be your eyes and ears, kind of walk the truck. Show you any minor scuffs, scrapes that would make it otherwise less than perfect. I cannot get up high enough to show you the roof, but I can tell you that it is in good shape. And you can see no dings or dents down this body side. Nice clean truck all the way around. Even the bumper, no dings or dents, does have the bumper sensors, as you can see. LT. Even the tailgate is free of damage. We got a couple little specks there and a little nick there, but for the most part, really, really nice, solid truck. You can tell this was somebody's pride and joy. They put a lot of money into it in lift and accessories. They also 20 service records, so they regularly maintained it. And he drove it 45,000 miles, so they probably kept it in the garage by no rust or oxidation. It looks as such. So somebody's pride and joy, and it can be the next person's pride and joy as well, as it is a very nice looking truck. We got some couple little chips here across the front bumper fascia, but not too many, because Stone's got to climb a ways to get here. There are a few that made it onto the hood that I'll point out here. But all in all, guys, exactly what we're looking for. Cool looking truck, nice truck, like new, reconditioned all the way around, so that the next owner can enjoy it. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Look us up online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.